Welcome to RoRe Academy YouTube channel 2.0. Our new and improved channel is dedicated to showing you how things are put together, from concept to prototype. Here, we break down the art of designing, assembling, and testing real engineering systems, helping you understand the science and creativity behind innovation in power electronic-centric systems and devices in our 5-minute video clips. Welcome to RoRe Academy. In today's video, we begin a detailed teardown and technical analysis of the BYD Seal Power Domain Controller, focusing on how BYD has architected and integrated the core power electronics that drive this next-generation electric vehicle. This is part 1 of our deep dive series, where we'll explore the system-level design philosophy, functional partitioning, and the role of the power domain controller in managing energy flow between the battery, inverter, auxiliary loads, and vehicle subsystems. We'll break down the hardware architecture, discuss key power semiconductor choices, thermal considerations, and control integration, all from an engineering perspective. This analysis is aimed at EV engineers, power electronics designers, researchers, and anyone who wants to truly understand how modern electric vehicles are built from the inside out. The BYD Seal is an all-wheel drive, battery electric passenger vehicle capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds, placing it firmly in the high-performance EV category. In terms of efficiency and real-world usability, the BYD Seal delivers an estimated driving range of approximately 570 kilometers, based on a combination of low-speed city and high-speed highway test cycles. This performance is supported by a substantial 82.5 kilowatt-hour battery pack, providing a strong balance between power delivery, energy density, and long-distance capability. From an EV engineering standpoint, high-speed charging is not a limitation for the BYD Seal. The vehicle supports up to 150 kilowatts kW DC fast charging, enabling a charge window from 30% to 80% state of charge in approximately 26 minutes. This aligns well with optimal battery thermal management and charging curve efficiency, minimizing degradation while maximizing turnaround time. For daily usage, the 11 kilowatts onboard AC charger allows efficient level 2 charging at home or at the workplace, delivering predictable overnight replenishment with minimal infrastructure requirements. The combination of high-power DC charging and robust AC capability makes the BYD Seal well-suited for both long-distance travel and everyday operation. At the heart of the BYD Seal powertrain is its advanced 8-in-1 power domain controller. This integrated unit serves as the central nervous system of the vehicle, delivering a peak power output of 235 kilowatts and handling peak currents of up to 550 amperes. Supported by an efficient water cooling system for thermal stability under high load. What makes this architecture particularly significant is the level of integration. The power domain controller consolidates the vehicle control unit, battery management system, power distribution unit, DC-DC converter, onboard charger, and traction inverter into a single, tightly integrated module. This high level of functional integration reduces system complexity, improves efficiency, enhances thermal management, and enables faster control response. All key enablers for high-performance, high-reliability electric vehicles. A quick teardown and disassembly of the power domain controller reveals the key hardware that enables high-performance operation. Inside the unit, we can identify several critical components, including the output current sensor module, DC-link capacitor module, a high-power fuse, 2 high-voltage power relays, a silicon carbide power module, and a dedicated DC current sensor. Each of these components plays a vital role in managing high voltage, high current, and fast switching transitions, ensuring efficient energy conversion, accurate current measurement, and robust system protection under all operating conditions. In this section of the video, we disassemble the onboard charger and DC-DC converter power board, revealing its modular internal structure. The assembly is divided into 4 distinct subboards, each serving a specific function within the power conversion system. The first subboard handles the onboard charger control, managing charging logic and communication, The second subboard is dedicated to electromagnetic interference, or EMI mitigation, ensuring compliance with automotive EMC requirements. The third subboard provides the low-voltage power supply, supporting auxiliary electronics and control circuits. And the fourth subboard is responsible for DC-DC converter control, regulating high-voltage to low-voltage power conversion. This modular design improves serviceability, noise control, and functional isolation, while supporting high efficiency and reliable operation. The remaining printed circuit boards within the power domain controller complete the core control and sensing architecture of the system. These include the inverter control board, the main processing board, the three-phase current sensor board, the DC current sensor board, and the low-voltage filter board. Together, these boards handle real-time control, signal processing, current measurement, and noise filtering, enabling precise inverter operation, accurate power monitoring, and stable low-voltage supply across the entire powertrain. Thank you so much for watching today's video and exploring how the power domain controller of the BYD Seal is put together, while highlighting its critical hardware components. Remember, here at RoRe Academy YouTube channel 2.0, you watch, learn, and understand how to prototype. See you in the next video for part 2. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment, and share, so you never miss our next deep dive into the world of technology and innovation.